everybody, Miss Wendy here. Today for our kids craft we are going to be making a four-legged animal marionette. Now I'm not going to tell you what kind of animal to make, that is going to be up to you. I'm just going to show you how to make the base, and once you know the basics you can turn your puppet into a horse, a cat, a dog, unicorn, a zebra, giraffe, whatever you can imagine. You can make up your own animal if you like, that is up to you. So to start, you're going to need a few things that you probably have laying around your house. First, you are going to need 2 toilet paper rolls. One is going to be for your head, one is going to be for your body. There are holes in these, but we'll get into that in just a second. Next, you're going to need some yarn or string, twine, whatever you have available. First, you are going to cut 2 pieces of equal length, like this. These are going to be your legs, so you want to be just about the same size. Set those aside. You're also going to need one long piece, kind of like this. This is going to attach the body to the head and the entire puppet to the mechanism to control your puppet. Which, speaking of, you are going to need at least 1 stick. I'm going to use a popsicle stick today, but you can use a dowel rod, skewers, you can use a stick from outside, whatever you have available. 1 stick will work just fine, but if you want it to kind of look like a classic marionette, get a second stick, glue them together to make an X like that. Okay? And then finally, you're going to need things to decorate your animal with. You can use paint, markers, crayons, whatever to decorate the body and the head. You can glue bits on, you can put stickers on. If you are going to paint, I do recommend that you do that before you assemble, just because it makes things a little bit easier. You're also going to want some things for feet, and if you want to accessorize your neck, give it a little necklace. For mine, I'm going to use some painted pasta. Okay, very shiny silver, very pretty. And a piece of straw. But you can use whatever you like. If you have beads, buttons, whatever you have at home that you could thread through, you can use those as well. Alright, so let's make our puppet. So first, you're going to want your headpiece. What you're going to do is punch 1 hole in this end. Turn it around, and on the opposite side punch another hole. Now for this one I used a hole punch, but you can use scissors, it's a little trickier, or some other pointy object. Just make sure that you do get an adult to help you with that, because we don't want you to hurt yourself. Alright, so set your head aside for now. You're going to take your second roll, you're going to punch 1 hole at each end, just right across from each other. Okay? This is going to be for your neck and for the other, to attach the bottom part of your puppet to the stick at the end. Okay, so once you have those, flip it over. You're going to punch 4 more holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 on each side right next to each other. This is where your legs are going to go, and that's where we're going to start assembling. So take one of your equal lengths, put it in one end, boop, and just thread it right through the other, and so they hang like that. Okay, and just flip it over, do the same thing with your second string. Just in and out. There we go. Now at this point, if you like, you can tie, like I said, a button, a bead, piece of pasta, whatever you like at the bottom for your feet. I'm going to skip that step for now, just in the interest of time. Okay, so next, you're going to get your really long piece. And just like you did for the legs, you're going to go in 1 hole and through the other. Okay? It's going to be a little trickier because you got more space to work with, but still very easy. Just make sure you don't grab your legs on the way through like I just did there. Oops. Let go. There we go. And there you go. Alright, so next you want to decide which end is going to be the head. And this is going to be mine. So like I said, I'm going to give mine a little bit of a neck decoration here. I did put a little bit of tape on the end of the yarn just so it doesn't fray. You can do that if you like. Makes things a little bit easier. So I'm going to put 1 pasta through. Boop. I'm going to do my straw. It's going to take a little bit more work. There. Oops, there you go. Alright. And my last pasta. Just right on through. There we go. And this is just how I did mine. Again, you could stack some beads, or if you just want to put it just straight down, that's also fine. Finally, you'll take your headpiece, put it in one hole, straight on through to the next one. Straight through the middle there. And just pull it through. And there we go. It's pretty good, doesn't it? All right, so finally, I have one that I put together earlier. You just attach your string to the sticks and tie it on there. I'm just going to wrap it for now. And you will have a lovely animal marionette. You see, this one's kind of boring. I didn't really do too much decoration on this one, but let me show you one I made earlier. I don't know what kind of animal this is. Kind of looks like something out of a Dr. Seuss book to me. But, yeah, just put some spots, drew some eyes on there, got some bead feet. You can just hop around and be an awesome little guy. So, all right, thank you for joining us for this craft. If you make your own marionette, please let us know. You can share it in the comments. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time.